Okay, yesterday you may have seen the YouTube video of the W194 being first started. A lot of smoke coming out of it. It was mostly oil burning off the top of the motor and the manifolds. Today I'm going to go over and we're going to look at all the individual points of the car that are different from the production gull wing. To start with, you probably noticed that the frame is vastly different than a gull wing. The wheelbase and the location of all the main components are identical to the gull wing, with the exception of the webbing of the tubes is routed quite differently. You'll notice the engine, it sits at 50 degrees off the vertical, which required the use of some different types of upper radiator cooling. You'll notice a cooling port on the left side of the head that runs directly alongside the spark plug holes and past the distributor. This, because the engine is tipped at 50 degrees, needed somewhere for the really hot water to go from near the exhaust valves in the center of the cylinder head. Also, because the engine is tipped at 50 degrees, it required a vent at the top of the cylinder head to keep any air bubbles from accumulating in the top of the cylinder head. So it's actually got two upper radiator hoses and one bottom radiator hose that comes off the back of the water pump. We can see here where it arcs around the breather at the bottom of the oil pan.